When you travel to the United States, immigration officers scan your passport to check your identity and travel history. In this video, we will explain what information they see when they scan your passport, how the system works, and why it is important for security. If you have ever wondered what happens when your passport is scanned, this video will give you the answers. When an immigration officer scans your passport, the system pulls up detailed information linked to your travel records. This includes your full name, date of birth, nationality, passport number, and expiration date. The system checks if your passport is valid and whether it has been reported lost or stolen. If your passport is flagged, the officer may conduct additional checks or deny entry. The scan also reveals your travel history. Immigration officers can see the countries you have visited, your past entries and exits from the United States, and any visa records attached to your passport. If you have overstayed a visa in the past or have been denied entry before, this information will be visible. The officer may ask questions about your previous trips to ensure that you followed immigration rules. In addition to travel history, the system checks for any alerts or warnings. Immigration databases are connected to law enforcement agencies, including Interpol and the FBI. If you have a criminal record, outstanding warrants, or are on a watch list, the officer will see this information. Even minor offenses in some countries can trigger additional questioning or refusal of entry. For visa holders, the scan also verifies the details of your visa and immigration status. Officers can see if you have a valid visa, when it was issued, and how long you are allowed to stay. If you are traveling under the visa waiver program, the system will check if you have an approved ESTA electronic system for travel authorization. If there's an issue with your visa or ESTA, you may be asked to provide additional documents or be denied entry. The scanning process also includes facial recognition technology. Cameras at immigration checkpoints compare your face with the photo stored in the passport chip or database. This helps prevent identity fraud and ensures that the person traveling matches the passport they are using. If there is a mismatch, the officer may conduct further checks or ask for additional identification. Understanding what immigration officers see when they scan your passport can help you prepare for smooth entry into the United States. Make sure your documents are valid, follow immigration rules, and answer questions honestly. If this video was helpful, share it with others who may need to know what happens when they pass through US immigration.